You are going to love the 2015 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power windows, one-touch windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.